Almonds deserve a Blue Ribbon Award for being a perfect snack. And why not? Besides being delicious, they are loaded with essential minerals and vitamins. Almonds contain vitamin E, magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, and calcium. To best extract all the benefits encased within flavorful almonds, we must first know how to unlock them. Yes, Mother Nature put a lock on them. The secret is to soak them in water overnight. Then the almonds gladly release their magic. Eating pre-soaked almonds also makes them much easier for our bodies to digest, and only through proper digestion do we obtain those valuable nutrients. Actually, this soaking method should be used with most seeds and nuts. Benefits of eating soaked almonds daily. Heart healthy. The vitamin E within the tasty almonds reduces the risk of heart disease, and at the same time, magnesium works to prevent heart attacks. Thanks to the monounsaturated fats, protein, and potassium, almonds prove themselves to be extremely heart healthy. Boosts energy. Snacking on soaked almonds daily can boost your energy levels by accelerating your metabolic rate. So hats off to the minerals on parade: manganese, copper, and riboflavin. Lowers cholesterol. The calcium and vitamin E work in concert to lower your cholesterol. Brain health. The rich nutrients we obtain by eating soaked almonds eventually travel to the brain. These powerful properties can increase our brain's functionality. Riboflavin and L-carnitine work together to increase brain activity. This collaboration generates new neural pathways, which can lower the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Bone health. We all know that our bones depend upon a steady infusion of vitamins, minerals, and phosphorus. This trio functions seamlessly to strengthen our teeth and bones and can keep us protected from conditions like osteoporosis. Regulates blood pressure. The low sodium content and potassium present in almonds assist our bodies in keeping our blood pressure stabilized. Helps guard against cancer. Researchers tell us that almonds can improve the progressive movement of food through the colon. This lowers the risk of buildup and therefore can keep us safe from colon cancer. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.